In this presentation, we want to study the foreign exchange market. Collectively, this is the largest financial market in the world. After we construct the model, we want to see the outcomes of a decrease in the supply of dollars in the market. We'll start by labeling E on the vertical for the exchange rate and QF on the horizontal for the quantity of funds. The exchange rate is the price of one currency in terms of some other currency. For example, the rate of dollars to Japanese yen. The quantity of funds are a mix of the currencies being bought and sold in all these markets. Let's construct our demand and supply curves. Here's our demand curve. It shows the negative relationship between the exchange rate and the quantity demanded of funds. The supply curve slopes up and to the right to represent the positive relationship between exchange rates and the quantity supplied of these funds. The intersection of demand and supply is equilibrium. Equilibrium determines the exchange rate for a certain quantity of funds. The equilibrium in this market relates to an equilibrium in another paired foreign exchange market. Let's use an example with dollars to better understand how equilibrium works. Using dollars in this market, the demand curve represents anyone who's demanding dollars in terms of some other currency. These demanders would be selling currencies in some other foreign exchange market in order to buy US dollars in this foreign exchange market. The sale and purchase happen simultaneously. Again, focusing just on dollars, the supply curve represents anyone who is selling dollars in terms of some other currency. These suppliers would be demanding currencies in some other foreign exchange market by selling US dollars here. For example, selling dollars here may mean buying yen in another foreign exchange market. Let's see what happens when there's a decrease in supply. Many things may decrease the supply of dollars. If partners import more from the US, or if interest rates at US banks or on bonds rose, the supply of dollars may fall. A decrease in supply may be shown by shifting the supply curve to the left, S2. Other things being equal, a decrease in the supply of dollars will increase the equilibrium exchange rate and decrease the quantity demanded of dollars in the market. The new equilibrium is at E2 and F2. This represents a stronger dollar in the foreign exchange market.